Beyond the city hustle and bustle in Lagos, there is a beautiful side to Lagos that often goes unseen by visitors, and the city's rich history and culture are in its ancient landmarks and modern arts that are still very affordable. So I made this video possible exploring the magnificent train station to the National Museum, then to the National Art Theatre. Let's begin.
Jọ̀wọ́ kíyèsí àlàfo tó wà láàárín ọkọ̀ reluwé àti pèpele tó o bá fẹ́ wọ inú tàbí sọ̀kalẹ̀ nínú ọkọ̀.
The next station is the Marina Station. Doors opening on the right.
We are currently inside the train. This is the Blue Line train, as I promised. And from here, we are going to Maito station right now. You can see they actually have a very nice surrounding. The train is very neat, like less crazy people, I've not seen anyone fighting or doing anything like this. Is actually a new transit in Lagos. This is the Blue Line, and trust me, for your travel or for moving around Lagos, it's actually very nice.
We are arriving. Marina. Doors open on right.
So we're heading to the National Museum right here in Lagos, Nigeria. The National Museum is a place where you can actually see the old history of what has happened in Lagos, Nigeria from then up to date. People that the governors that have ruled, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment your opinion. That's the National Museum right there. So it goes all the way from inside to inside of that part. So let's see what we find out inside. Yeah, I am currently inside the National Museum right now, and it is pretty cool. Like, this is my first time in the National Museum. You can see, check this out. This is like a hand. So I don't know when this hand was made. So let's see, maybe we'll see something like the signage or something behind it. Oh, there's nothing. So it's just basically the ant, just the ant design, which is pretty cool. And this is the National Museum right here. So let's go inside right now and then let's see what we can find. Here is what I found in the National Theatre, which is the first place we are checking out today before we check out other places you can try out in Lagos, Nigeria. So this place is like a park where kids can play. You can see where kids can play, like a playground for kids. You can see, there's a draft there right on the ground. There's a sitting area. These twin booths here. So and then now let's check out some other places here before we get out of here. Okay. So that place, I guess they sell something like clothes, traditional clothes, necklace, all the stuff they used to use in the olden days. So they sell it right there. And let's check out some other places before we go right here. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. So right in here, the right jollof. This is jollof. So is this the jollof pots they use in the olden days, like the biggest jollof pots in Africa, guys? This is like the biggest jollof pot in Africa. This is very nice. This is like the biggest jollof pot in Africa right here, right behind me. Just check it out. It actually have wheels. It has two wheels. Amazing. Wow. So let's check out more other places right here in the National Museum before we move out. So right here is Nigerian government yesterday and today. So basically what will be inside will be pictures of everyone that has ruled in Nigeria. So and right here we have the museum kitchen. Wow, this is amazing. They also have a kitchen. Okay, here is other traditional stuff. So right here is National Museum kitchen. I guess I'll be trying some food here, guys. I'll be trying some food out here. Maybe the food is actually nice because I'm actually hungry. So I'll be trying some food here right in this National Museum kitchen. So let's see what they have as something to eat, and I'll be giving you guys the rating. Yeah. So guys, this is what I found inside the National Museum, the kitchen. This is actually nice. Check this out. I don't know the name of this. Is this parrot? So this is a parrot. I found this inside the National Museum kitchen. Wow. Check this out, guys. So amazing. Wow. And let me take you to some other places right here in the National Museum kitchen. Guys, imagine seeing these things in a kitchen. I mean, you will always want to come here. No way. So this is everywhere in the National Museum kitchen. This is how it looks like. So let's go try out the food right now. This is what I brought. So this is varieties of Nigerian jollof. This Nigerian jollof, this is plantain, so we call it dodo. So this is salad, this is Nigerian jollof, and then this is fried fish, and this is dodo. So let's try out food right now inside the National Museum. Alright guys, so to be honest, the food right here is actually very nice. To be honest, the food right here is actually very nice, and it is being cooked by hello ma. Sorry, can you say hi to the camera? Say hi. Okay, so she's actually the one who is the caterer inside the National Museum, and so she actually cooks very nice. So she cooks the food that I actually ate. So it's actually nice. Thank you. Thanks so much. Yeah. So let's get back to the next destination right now. Let's see how it goes. With the National Theatre Art, you can see right behind me. I'll be taking you inside, the exterior, the interior, and it's also called Festac.
Festac 77, the second World Black and African Festival of Arts and Culture, held in Nigeria, brought together 15,000 participants from over 70 countries. National Theatre in Lagos was the scene of many important events throughout the festival.
The design of this whole place from the outside looks like a cap, like a police cap. So I don't know if you guys have seen here. So tourist attractions in Lagos is actually, this is one of the tourist attractions in Lagos, Nigeria. Where you love to be, where you love to do your events, your parties, come experience, experience culture, and yeah, you can see this. It is very beautiful.